Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to sync your CapCut mobile projects to PC desktop. So first off guys, what you need to do, and which is the first step, whether you're on Android or iOS, you just need to grab a phone application, and if you wish to transfer all your files, everything is going to be happening through the cloud. So you just need to use your account within this app, right? Otherwise, there's no other way to do this manually. And once you're logged in into your account, everything is now saved into the cloud. And the next step is simply opening up your desktop application. And then on the left screen here, you just press on sign in. And then you use the same account that you use on your phone, right? And then when you log in, you will have all of your mobile projects that you can also use on your PC. Pretty simple. So through this two-way sync, this is how you get your project onto your desktop PC or laptop. Enjoy the guide. As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe as well.